Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this multi-purpose red pepper sauce, and you will just love this recipe. So for the ingredients, I have long red peppers, and this is how they look, and I will add some scotch bonnet pepper because I want it to be a bit spicy. Some carrots, spring onions, ginger, garlic, and onions. And these are the ingredients I used. I am going to transfer everything into my blender, and then I will use oil instead of water to blend it because this method helps it to be a bit faster for you. I mean, it helps the cooking process to be faster. So in a pot, I will transfer my blended ingredients into it. Blend it to your preferred texture or consistency, okay? So I will add it, and here make sure to use a big pot or cover your pot. If not, it will splatter around and we don't want the kitchen to be messy, okay? And allow it to cook on low or medium heat for it to be well cooked and for the oil to settle on top nicely. So here make sure to be stirring it consistently. Stir it consistently to avoid it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. The oil has started settling on top, but we are still not there, okay? So I will continue stirring it, and at this point, I will add my seasoning cube. I will then add some salt. Give it a stir for everything to be well combined. And here you can taste for your seasoning and see if you are okay with it. And you can as well add any seasoning of choice, okay? So here allow it to simmer on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, the red pepper sauce is ready, guys. So easy and fast to make. And this red pepper sauce can actually go with everything. And this sauce is really versatile. It goes with jollof rice, kenkey, banku, or you can even use it as a dip sauce. Just try this recipe and it wouldn't last longer in your house, I bet you, because it tastes so good. And I extracted the extra oil on the sauce, and I will be using this for spaghetti, jollof rice, and one more, or you can even fry eggs with it. So here I served myself some fanti and alongside with some eggs, and here I used that oil to fry the eggs. And then there comes the almighty red pepper sauce. Guys, the taste was so good, and I didn't even know what to do. And the sauce isn't too spicy because of the long red peppers, okay? So just do it to your taste bud. If you want it to be really spicy, then you really need to add the scotch bonnet more, okay? Please follow me on all social media platforms as Hyra's Kitchen, and I will leave the links in the description box. And do well to check my other videos, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big like, share this video, okay? And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And guys, this combo really slaps. Hey! Just try this recipe, okay? And you will just love it, I say. See you in the next one. Bye.